this, Sophia. You like your polka dot shoes? Do they go with your polka dot pants and your polka dot jacket?
No, that's not it. That's a hard pair.
Oh yeah, those are hard.
Oh, those are hard.
Not quite polka dots, but
I was wrong about that. Okay. We're going to go squeak around outside. You like squeaking? Are you going to squeak down the steps?
Only because you're going too fast? No.
I'm making a video.
But you got to only because...
Can you help me make a video for Grandma?
Do you got a remote for this car?
No, the batteries aren't working in it. Can you go over there to the door and then walk back towards me with your squeaky shoes? Okay, now come towards me. All right. Do you like those squeakers? They're fun, aren't they? Can you dance with them? Can you jump with them? Can you jump again? Good jumping. You're a silly squeaker.
First we got to clean the wheels. Do you got a remote?